So basically we are identifying a list of elements. List of elements we need to identify. That list of elements you can identify using so this way. You give the list of elements, and those list of elements you can write a list using find by method only you can use. So and now it is deprecated in the Selenium 4 that other finds by or something, but this is the find by only will help us. Okay. Let me write. So I want to check. So this element is present or not. This logout is present or not. This search box is present or not. So I want to check that. So this anyhow we need to load all this in the where. So all these elements. This expected value we want, right? If you want expected value, you need to get them. So you need to get all of them into constants we'll store as a list, string list. So string list will get, we got a actual list through this XPath. So this XPath is giving a list of elements. That is your WebDriver will get all these things. You have to get each element a text. And list you, if you pass a list for the method, we can write a method also. So that method will write, and at the same time, these sections also we need to find out. But these elements you need to store in the, so for expectation purpose. How you can store a list of elements? You have to write a, so in the constant space you can store constant space. You can store in the constants, and then you can store all these elements basically. So how we can store, let's see that. So constants, where the constants available, go to constants and create a list there. So how can we add a list of elements in the constants? This is the constants, right? How can we add a list of elements? Public. Static. Final list of string. We are giving a string of elements, right? Expected. My account, right? My account.
List.
My account menu option list. Menu options list. Equal to. So how you can add arrays dot as list. So all the list of elements you write it here. So what are the list of elements? What is the first element? My account. Exactly, you write it. Otherwise you copy here, okay? So my account. First one. So what is the second one? Comma.
History.
What is the second one? Order history. You can find here order history. So third one,
Transactions.
transactions.
Downloads.
So next
Downloads.
downloads. If you want to compare both, I need this expected also, right? And log out, right? Last one, log out. This is my expectation. So when the page opens and it will open, all these are things we are fetching with the XPath what we have written. Then we are going to get all of them. Okay, import these things. Import, it will be done. Done. Okay, this is my expectation. Same way in the page, what other things we have? My account, my orders, newsletter. So these are the three things are there. So these also we have to load, and this we need to identify these headers also, how many are there. See, this is the one. If you write div id content h2, and you will get so this also. I think breadcrumb is done. This one, this whole we are getting. I can start from here. Let's write XPath for this. Instead of div h2, ul h2 is there. First one, second one, third one. Others we have here. Subscribe. Okay, that is the element. Okay, fine. Okay.
Class also is there. Class for each class is there.
Class. A common thing you are saying?
No, class name.
Where is the class name here?
The column SM9 for my account and list and style. My orders.
But this one is only this one, right? I will write it. Let me write the XPath. Okay. So div id content. One of three, right? Perfectly. So showing one of three. See that. First one, second one, third one, right? So with this, it is giving all three. So this one you can take and write. So in the page, go to page, my account page first. Same, you copy this, and I can show copy it till here and put it here. This one you take. So these are my account headers. Okay, these are my account headers. My account header list. My account header list. So include this element also. Same expectation also, you write another list in the constants. Done. Now same way, go to constants. Where is this constants? Sure. Constants here. Similar way, write another one. Expected my account header options. Header list. Just write HEA header list. Options not required. Okay. Header list. So all the header names you put. Which headers you are expecting, that header names you write one by one. So that headers are, first header is my account. So we are making sure all these sections are present. So that's another, so mandatory, we have to validate them, right? It should be there, those sections. If it is not there, that's a problem, code. So it's a bug, right? Generally, if it is not there. So Selena will verify that. So each section is present or not. And next, last one. Where is the last one? Newsletter. Okay, done. So now go and develop few methods. First, you have to get the, so those, right, those sections, and then we'll perform the sets also. So let's do the sets also. All these methods will write. Now elements identification is done in this page. Now we need to write a methods. Click on my account like we did. Get my account page URL we have done. Click on logout link we have seen, and let's write a few more methods. So what are the methods? First of all, is search exist. So let's write the method. One more method. Public Boolean is search exist. So search is available or not, I want to check that. So return the element name. So search edit box. Search edit box. Dot is displayed. Otherwise, we have in the WebDriver. So wait for element visible is there, right? Wait for element, we wait, and so wait for element presence is there, that returns a web element. WebDriver, the return type is a here visible. This one is a web element, it returns web element dot. Okay, so this one, and what is the parameter for this?
Search edit box.
Sorry.
Search edit box.
Okay, we are giving a locator only. So I'm going to give locator. Let's go and give the locator. Data directly into pass that web element. Search.
Name equal to search.
Name equal to search. So by dot name. Search dot is displayed. Basically, what it
we can use this as well as search edit box dot is displayed, right?
basically what this method will do is this will wait. But if you use element dot is displayed, it doesn't wait. You got my point?
Okay. We have to add another line. Wait
for another line. Yeah, wait for it is visible, and then it will check is displayed or not.
Okay.
That's a thing. So same you do for the logout also. If logout visibility must be there, first you have to click, right? My account, click my account. This method you have to call. Is logout exist? Then first click the menu. Then you check for the by link text, right? By link text. Logout. That's it. Okay, so these are the two methods. And another important method, sir. So you need to fetch the list of account menu text. You need to get the list, you need to get all the elements, how we can fetch them. So let's go and do that. So write public list. So we got already list. You need to, so, but we have to get the text of them, right? We need to get the text of them, right? We need to get the text of them. So, but I want in the, so string format, all of them, those are web elements. I need to utilize the list wherever it is available, this one, this list, my account menu option list. This is a web element now. All this I want to get into string format. So get text you have to use inside and get them. So if you iterate only, you will get that. So it is returning. I have to get the list of string. So write get my account option list. My account menu option list. Right. So now you iterate. So create a one list. So list angular bracket string format, you get it. So my account list. So my account menu option list equal to so new array list. So what will happen? I'm going to get all the text. I'll store them in that. So how you can get, you got a list already here. So list of web element, list of web. You need to iterate this. You need to iterate this, right? To get the each element text. So how can you get that? Write the code. So iterate the list. So for data type is web element. So element colon the collection name. So now you need to get the each element text. So string element txt equal to el dot get text. So after that, what I need to do? I have to add, right? Add this text to where? Which collection? Add the element text to where? Which collection you need to add? This collection. So collection named. How can we add an element to the collection?
Dot add.
So
Add.
dot add.
So
element text. That's it. So then you return it. So return the element list. That's it. Same thing you implement for the section headers also. Get my account header list. Header list. So my account header list. So here it will go my account header list. So basically, this is the actual list I'm getting, and expected you stored in the constant page, constant class, and you're going to compare both of them in the test cases. Got it?
yes.
So this is the collection. Very good. Any questions here? So we have to write a last method, that is search, perform search. Maybe this will write returning one result page, results page it will return, that I will write. So one return type, the method has to return a page, right? That we need to write. So we didn't write till now, but we'll write now. At least one sample. So few companies, so what they will do, method will return another page. So that we have to write. So that I'll write As of now, I'm writing void, but so this will return right directly results page. See, when you search, it returns the results, right? We have to create one more page, results page, and you can say do perform, do search, do product search, whatever it is. Okay, do product search, do product search. So you have to give a string product name. So you give which is product you want to search as an input to this method. Okay. So maybe if you want log.info, so you write which product you are searching for the product plus the product name. Then I'll write if is search exist. So then what I'm going to do? So I'll send the data. So send the data. So let's send the data. So I call the send data method. Send data. You give the web element. So what is the web element? Search edit box, right? Search edit box. The product name you need to send. After that, you need to click on the search icon, right?
Yes.
So write a method, click method. So we have a click method. Click search icon, search start icon. You just perform the thing. Then you return new. So results page. Results page object, you pass it. Pass it the driver also. But we don't have this, if not, return null. If, for example, if this search is not there, you should not do anything. So then I need to create this results page object. So create a class results page. So I'm creating the results page. Say results page class I'm creating. See, results page class is created. The similar way you write, right? Similar way you write. Results page you write. So how we developed other pages, do the same way. So how we are written, this same, this thing you have to write at least 1 or 2 elements I'll take, and we have to implement the same way. So results page, here you put a results page, here also results page. That's it. Now you replace 1 by 1 elements. So we'll perform the search. Okay, we'll perform the search. Somewhere in the MyAccount page also something. Okay. So anywhere somewhere error is there. Where is the error? Visible. I can put get driver. So we can create a local driver, right? Instead of that. Here in the constructor, driver. Private, I'll create a private driver. So I'll create here private. So web driver. Clean up all these things unnecessary. Now we resolve this. What is this? Health rules declaration. Your driver I passed. This is not required anymore. We are not using in there. Okay. Now result space. We have to identify. Just search. Go and search for the pages. So any product you search. So what are all the products we have? This you can see here. The products Mac is there. I'll just type Mac. So click on search. So you got all the products, right? So how many we got? See all Mac related products you got. So this is the search. See that page title also change it to search-Mac. The page title also change it. You get the page title also. And that's our first verification we'll do. Right? This is the results page. So results page. So identify the elements. So all these products we have to get all these products. So each card, how many are there? We need to get this card, each card. See if you put like this, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can suggest product layout. So you can put a div dot product layout, but this one is very big. And let's see how we can identify this. So all, how many are there? You need to get it. So see, class is common. So are you observing this? Class is common. So you can write a CSS or XPath. Okay, CSS and XPath to take this. So I can take a partial. How can you take a partial in the CSS?
Contains.
Contains starts with
Star.
So div square bracket class
star
single quotes. See now 4 we got, right? 4 products. So that means this is the correct one. So take this and so right there. Search products. So in this space. Here you place it. So what is that element? Search products. Search products. So if you want, so any other thing, for example, this breadcrumb, you can identify a breadcrumb also. So breadcrumb. So you can have search. You can write the breadcrumb also if you want. UL dot breadcrumb, then LI of A, right? LI of A. So try that also. So breadcrumb also you can identify another element. So I'm going to write CSS will write, right? That's a CSS will. So let's write a CSS, okay? So how to write CSS for this? Can you tell me? How to write CSS?
UL dot breadcrumb.
UL dot breadcrumb.
Greater than.
UL dot breadcrumb. So greater than
LI of 2, then A.
LI.
Nth child? No.
Nth child, okay? Nth hyphen child of 2, right?
2
second element
greater than A.
Then A.
greater than A.
A.
So this is how to write. So let's build this. So this same thing you can use. Search breadcrumb. So just give this search breadcrumb. Good. So you are doing very good. Search breadcrumb. So relative CSS path also we are writing. Search breadcrumb. And the next one. So whichever the elements you want, you can identify that like that. Okay. I'll remove this, but as of now, but if you want, you can write multiple elements. So let's write first, get the page title first. Okay. Get page title. So get the page title. How to get the page title?
Get title method. Get current.
Public string get
Get
So-
title.
search results page title. So what I can do, I'll use the wait for title contains. Okay. So wait for title contains I will use. So basically this page title, what will happen? See, whatever the product name you are giving. Can you see here? Whatever the product name you are typing here, same is coming here. Can you observe this on the top?
Yes.
So that you have to give that. So let's go and give that same thing. So here I'll give a product name for this title. String product name. So then you just give that return. So wait for title contains, right? The method. So see, wait for title contains, you have to give string title fraction. So this is the one you have to give a product name. So it will get the title for you. Right? So this is the what fraction if you give, it will get the title. So that's easy. Next, get products count. Okay. Next one is get products count. So how many products are there? So here if you see how many products are there in this. This is the results count, right? So you need to get a results count. So you already know that we got a collection here, right? This is giving, I think, we can write directly here list, right? We're getting list of elements, right? This one. List
Yes, sir.
web
And
element. That's it. So easy. Then you can so get a size, get the product size. Otherwise, so write a method. Okay, that methods only, right? This encapsulated class, right? So we cannot public int get search products count or product size or count, whatever it is. Okay, so the name, it's up to you how you want to use. So return, what is the list name? Search products
Search products.
dot collection. There's a collection, right? You will get the count.
Size.
Size method.
Size
Collection dot
method.
size.
Size.
Collection dot size, right? That's it. Simple. Done. So the next one, in that select a particular product. In that, so we need to select a particular product. Okay, in this particular product you want to click. So if you click particular, we don't know which product you want. So just click on that. So that you give the product name, it will go to product details page. So we have to create one more page also. Like this, it will keep going. Okay, so let's do that. Public. So product details page. So we have to go to product details page. Details page. Select a product. So here you give product name. So automatically that product we need to select. So the product name log.info. So log.info, the product name is simply write product name. After that, we need to click on this, right? Click on this product. So by, I'll write a link text. By link text, the product name I'm giving. That's it. But this one directly click method. Okay, I'll do one thing then. So what can I do here is we don't have direct element we can pass, but this is the string. So I cannot use this. Okay, I can do driver dot find element by dot link text. Dot click. So I'll declare here web driver private. I have to pass here this dot driver equal to driver. So super keyword above, you cannot keep this, but I'll keep below this. Okay. So you can remove this. Otherwise, which driver you are referring, so it will struggle. Okay, that's right. Now return. Now return this element. Return the page. Return this product details page. New product details page. So you have to pass the driver object. So let's go and create this. Keep going. It keep going. Okay. So next page. So if you're facing problem, we'll make it too simple. The page is not working. I'm creating a page. Let's create a page. Product info page. I have to change a results page. Why it is throwing error? Match product details page. Okay, I'm going to give there, so no issues. So same way I'm going to implement. Product details page. So product details page. Okay, got it. So this error also resolved. In my account page, we have to implement the same way here. This dot driver equal to driver. Okay, let's move on to that. Yeah.
Can we very light?
So product details page also done. Product details page we have to do, right? We have to implement product details page. Let's go to product details page. So in the product details page, you are clicking on particular elements. That elements we have to identify. So what are all the details we are implementing here? Go to the page first. You click on this any one product, okay? Any one product. So this is the product details page. So what is the product header? So the product header is this one, right? This is the product header. H1. Div PTN group H1. So right, can you write this XPath CSS selector? Write CSS selector for this product header. Just put a product header. Switch on, right? Right, product header. So product header first. I'm writing @find by. So basically every page elements I am identifying and respective methods we are writing in the page class. So CSS equal to, so div, that's a div, right?
Yes, sir.
Div class.
Class. Dot. Then greater than H1. So that's it. So please write all this. So product header, web element, Product header.
header. So find by, you identify web element, also you identify. Next. So this thumbnail we want, right? Product image. So this we want. So you have to identify this. Or otherwise you can say ul dot class. This thumbnails you want. Product image. So a dot this you can put otherwise a dot thumbnail. You can put a dot thumbnail. Okay. Let's put a dot thumbnail. So the CSS I'm using completely. So let's write a CSS. So @find by CSS equal to a dot thumbnail. So private web element, product thumbnail. Okay. Product image, you can put it. Product image. This product image, you put proper name will. So next, so we want so this product metadata. So where is the product metadata? So then price, if you want price. This price also we want, right? The price we want. This is the product description. You can write product description you want. Add to cart button if you want. So product price, let's identify product price. This is the product metadata that you can see. You can write. So this is the product metadata. So you can write product metadata. And then what is the next one? Product price, right?
Yes.
This product quantity. So these are the different options. So let's write product metadata. So these are all called product metadata, and this is called product price. So these two we'll identify. Okay, let's go and write product metadata. So you can start from. So from where you can start? I can start from here only. This is the UL onwards. UL list. This one we can write. So let's write this UL dot UL dot
Plus.
next. You can say LI. Sorry, greater than, right? Greater than LI. So so many are identifying here, right? 47 it is saying. But we have to make sure so this LI, if you identify what is this?
LF1 or a greater than a.
This is not coming properly. UL and then this one is a different again. Mac. No, we are not getting properly. So I have to change the proper. So this section, I have to give it properly. LI, inside we have LI. So let's write the XPath then now. So LI, first LF1 will give, otherwise. Let me write LI nth child of 1. Still we are getting a 413. So then I'll come from this entire section I want. From here onwards, I'll come. From here. This one. Okay, this is the one I want. That means I'll come from here. Till here I'll go. So LF1. So this one I'll take it. Let me write XPath then. So I'll write XPath. So you're not helping. So let me write XPath. This one I'll write, you will start from here. Double forward slash
D.
@class value. It is going somewhere up. Then this one, container.
Slash div slash nav.
So is this breadcrumb after? This one. Okay, div ID content. We have to take this one. From here we have to go. Okay, I'll give ID then. Okay, I'll give ID. ID content. Okay, we came almost close. Then after that, we have this. This we don't want. Slash will, so I'll jump onto here. I'll jump onto thumbnails we don't want. Then we want this one, right? Not that one. We want the right side one. Where is that?
Content.
Tab content. It's not tab content. Tab description. It is going down. So it is going down. This we don't want. Where is ours? So I'll tell you, right, double forward slash, then UL square bracket at the rate class, and you can identify that wherever we will see this. So this one, I'll take this one. Okay, we got it now, right?
Yes.
So we got it, but two are there. But we want one, right? So we want first one we want, right? We want first one. So how we can do that? Forward slash li. Still it is showing 5. What I can do here is, but this one is showing multiple, and I can position this. I can position this entire thing. I can position this, but two are there, right? Two are there. So I can position. I'm writing a position function. Position function equal to 1. Got it? Now see, we got 1 only, exactly. Slash li. The first one, if you want, you will get a first one. So that's the how you can write a XPath. So that's all. So let me ping you guys. This is a bit complex, but yeah. So we got, somehow we cracked it. Take that and write in the product metadata. So at the rate find by XPath. This is the XPath. Private web element product metadata. Same way we have to write almost similar XPath. Product price. So here you put a 2, position 2, and product price. See, you can see that. So you can go and see that same thing, you will get it. So if we put this, you will get a product price. Just put 2 there. So why you want to put? See exactly price, you got it, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That's it. So this is how we are so getting the product metadata and product price. So now we need to write the methods. So let's write the methods. So first
add to cart, we should write add to cart. That is also an important.
Yeah, this is also important. If you want to this one also you write. And yeah, whatever the elements you want, you write all the elements.
Okay.
You can write a add to cart button.
So that will take us to another page, right? It's like
no, so that is a cart page it will go, but that's okay. We'll end here because it is keep on going. So
yeah,
this
it's a big website.
It's a big application, right? Basically.
Yeah.
But you have to write all these things.
Okay.
So in the real time, we have to write, but we'll limit it here now. Okay, we'll stop here. And we'll write only test cases now. Okay.
Okay.
So we'll write only test cases now. If you want, you take element identification, but I am not going to write. So next page again. So I just shown you 2 pages. So that pages navigation is not working. Again, you have to come back to
Find
widen.
where I is capitals. Your I cap. At the rate
Sorry?
find your I capital.
Oh, okay.
So no need of JS utils object. No need to create, sir. And the
Which one?
JavaScript utils.
JavaScript.
Not necessarily. And that means when you can create object for any class.
And we need to use
If
that.
you're using that object reference dot methods, I'm not using any, right?
Yeah, but still, do we need to declare or
Not necessary.
not?
If
necessary?
required only, you have to declare.
Okay.
If not required, you should not do that. Not required at all. Add to cart. Add to cart button. So each element you will identify like this. That's enough. We have to now write the methods. So first method, get the product header. So this header, you get this product header. Okay. So public string return type method, right? You are getting the product name. So get product, basically product name, you're getting product name. Okay. Get product name. So then return the product header dot get text, right? Or you can put product header dot get text method. That's it. Or you can call directly get text of web element, you can pass otherwise. Okay. That is the first method. Next.
All right.
So now we need to get the product images count. How many images are there? So here now only one image is there, but with this XPath, how many images are there? We need to get it. So get the product images count. So that also one method you write. So public. So int get product image count. So return
List.
But so that is only one we have. If there are more, so you can just get the, so this list you can put it, because if there are chances more images also might be there. So you can put a list for this. So if you want a count, you need to get the collection, right? So you can put collection. So that product image list, you can put an image list. I'm just changing the dot size method. Simple methods we are doing, not complicated also. Every element, first this element I have identified, that element method I have written. Next element, that element method I have written. So next this element. So that element, so you get the product information. So we need to get the product information. What is this product information means? See this. See, this is the key value, right? Key value, right? This is all. Are you observing?
Yes, the key value.
Value.
Apple is value.
Key value.
Value.
Key value.
Value.
So this is the key value where you can store in the Java.
Map.
Map.
Hash.
Map. Excellent. Map. So now these two are the what data types? The key here, brand, Apple. What data type these are?
Which ones? Which one?
No.
Brand.
So this brand, Apple, what data type these are? Product code.
String.
The string. So that means key is a string Value is a
Value
string.
is a string.
So you create a map. Okay, let's create a map, one map. So I'll create a one variable on the top here. Create a product map. Okay, private map. You give the key data type as a string, value data type as a string. So this is all you can tell where you used map. Tell me if they ask you, you can tell, okay, we have a key value pair I need to get in my web page. I have used it there. So you can tell that. So this is all the Java where you have used it in your cell elements. You need to remember this, all this code. Then only you can answer properly. So now to get the product information, so write one method, public. But this method should return what type of data? Map data. Map, string, string. So get space, right? Method. Access modifier, data type, method name. Get product metadata. That's it all. Okay. Now, so I can put product map. So this is my product map. I'll create a global variable I can use. Product map equal to new hash map. So hash map string comma string. Let's finish these things and we'll end today this page definition, page class definition. Then tomorrow we'll write the test cases, and then we'll see how we can move on. Okay. So you can use linked hash tree map, linked hash map, tree map also you can use. Okay, so right, you can use right same way. So I'm just I'll show you. Even you can use others also. What is the others? Tree map I can use, right? So tree map, what it will do?
It will follow the ascending order.
Linked hash map also I can use. So all these are the map implemented classes. I'm just showing it here, okay? Again, recollecting all the map classes. Now, so you write we need to write a first the product data, right? So this product metadata, you need to get it. Get product metadata. So we need to get that all into the so all the data you need to get product metadata. So we have a method in the WebDriver utils. So remember get elements method is there. You remember? Do we have get elements method? Getting all the elements. Yeah, here is it. So it is fetching all the elements, right?
Yes.
So then you have to iterate one by one. You need to split based on the colon and a lot of data you have to write. So that so it is basically giving the data for us. So let's go here, understand here first. So this one, see this first when you put that. So we are getting, see, LA position 1, if you keep 1 of 3, it is giving. 1 of 3 means first brand Apple you will get. Second one, product code, product 14. Then this one, see, these 3. So this is also list. So this is also list. So you have to change it to list, this one also. So go to product detail space here. This is the list again. So I'll put list. This is also list. So you're getting all the list of elements you're getting. So you're getting a list of elements. So list of elements you're getting here also is a list of price is not a list of price, but there might be only one price will be there, right? But yeah, this is also going to give. Let's see what this is going to give. 2. I'll put a 2. What will happen? So how many are there? 2 are there here. So how many are there? 2 are. That means you have to take this also a list. Second one. First one. Second one. So you have to take all these things, this also. So this also you have to take a list. So complicated all this, please understand this, okay? So all complicated things you are getting. So that this is the one. So I can say product metadata list and product price list. So that's it. Now, so you got this list you are getting already, right? This list you are getting already. So what you need to do, this list you need to store into the, first you have to iterate, you get that, okay? You get the each line text and then you have to split it, right? You have to split it. So split that. So on what basis we need to split? Please observe here carefully. So what is the here split the between two key and value between what is that? So you are getting this entire text.
Colon.
So you are getting this entire text, right? This is you are getting this entire text. Then you need to split on colon base. Colon base. So the delimiter is colon. If you split and you will get into another meta, so some array, right? You will get into array. If you get the first one, you will get the brand. If you get the second one, you will get the key. So that means key and value I'm getting. That I will add into my map. Okay, that I will add into my map. So are you clear now? Or still any questions here? Did you understand what we are doing here? This first one is giving, see, 1 of 3. Are you understanding?
Yes.
So you are getting a list of web elements, means these are all you are getting. Right? But this you have to iterate, right, to get this text. How can you get this text to if you iterate this this collection, if you iterate this collection, then you will get this text. Am I right?
Yes.
So I need to iterate this now. So let's go and iterate this collection. So what I'm going to do, I'll iterate. So iterate the collection. Iterate the collection. So how can you iterate? For so web element. So it's a product metadata. I can see PMD. I'll just give PMD. I can give collection name. So now the first thing what we are doing, you get this text, you get it. So the text what you get, PM dot get text. So this will return for you string. So you are getting a metadata. Okay, that's a meta text. Otherwise, I can put meta txt. Okay, meta txt I'm getting. Okay, typo. So what you will get here, please understand. Let me give you very clearly. So this one you're getting. This entire thing you're getting. This entire thing you're getting into meta txt. Are you clear now?
Yes.
Yes.
First time this you will get. So now I got this, but I have to split this, right? Based on this colon. I will split this text, this string text, and I'll get another string array, right? If I split, I'll get a string array, right? So meta data array. So metadata array. So metadata array equal to meta text dot split method. So in this split, you have to use the, what is your delimiter here? Colon. See here, this is the colon. So this is the colon. This colon based, you are splitting. Now what will happen in this array? First, wherever the colon is there, this colon before whatever, that is the first element it will store here in this metadata array. And this one will store in the second place. Now I want to get this brand and apple. So there is a spaces here. I'll remove the spaces with the, how can you remove the spaces of particular element?
Trim.
Trim method. Excellent. So Pushpa told trim method, right? So now, so metadata. So first element, how can you get array first element?
0.
Array of 0 dot trim method. Now I got the meta key. Same meta value I want. Meta value. So put meta value properly. So this one meta value is metadata of 0 or which one? I want apple. So it's stored in this array. So in this array now array so it looks like
1. Metadata of 1.
Brand. Then apple stored. So now metadata of 1 you have to do. Clear?
Yes.
So now in this product map, I'll insert this key and value. How to insert a key and value into the map? Which method you need to use?
Push. No, push will add elements.
Put method, sir.
Put method. So meta key and meta value added. So this is the lot of collections and strings only you will use, and in most of the cases you will use collections, and so this is the code you will use, right? Then return this product map. That's it. Right? So any other questions here? Same way you do the for product price data also. So get product price data also, you can do the same thing. So create another map here, and so you can add maybe into the same map you can add that price also. But this a little bit tricky, this one also, right? So here if you see, this is the actual price. You have directly $100 .0. But here exe tax colon, that one is there. You have to be very careful here. You have to split again the second element, the price list, and you have to get that properly. So that we need to see how we can get that. So let's go and see here what I can do. This also let's write another method again, right? So maybe this I'll put a get product metadata, and so that one more I will write. So this you can put as a maybe just otherwise create a void method, this one, because I need to add one more for this product map. I need to add one more. Same, I'll do one more method. So public. So void get product price data. Product
Price.
data. But we already got here, right? The list we got already here, right? So this so you have already list. So you got the meta product price list, you got it already. So now what you need to do, you just need to, maybe if you want, you can find the size also. Log.info, the size. You can say product price count. Plus product price list dot size. Same you do here also, product. So we will come to know, right, what is the size of this product metadata count. So here I can change here that collection. Now, so I don't need to iterate, only I have two only here, right? I have two only. I can take so string price, you can take a string price equal to collection dot, you can say collection dot, this collection dot get method you can use, right? Collection dot get of 0 if you use it. So you will get the first one, dot get text. So use the get text method. Get text dot trim method I'm going to use. Done. Same you can do EX tax price. You can say tax price, right? So what is that? Extra tax price, that one? EX tax. So I can say just name EX tax. EX tax price. So this is the second place it will be there, right, in this collection. So I will give get of 1. Dot get text dot trim method. But you have to get them. Okay, anyhow, I'm getting. So here I'm getting get text I'm using. So I'll get it. So no issues. Okay. Then I have to add this, right? This is the actual price. This is the actual tax price. So let's add them to the map. Same map I will add product map. So this product map. So I'll use that. So let's use the product map. Product map dot put method. So I'm going to put actual price. First one is actual price. Actual price. So what is the actual price value? This is the actual price value. And I need to add one more also, right? Same. So exact tax price. EX
tax price.
So actual tax price. So I can put the actual tax price. This I'm going to keep it. So that's it. Last, I will return a complete product information. So this is the price, metadata, all I'll put a one more method. That is product information. Finally, I'll return this map. Public map string, comma, string, product information, get product information. So this I need to return finally. So we got all the data. So you call this method and this method, right? And return that.
The price data type is int.
But we have to, this one I have to use this here only, not here. So here I'll use. Yes, this will create a map for us. So map dot, I will add first. This one I will add. This method I'm calling in this another method. Then I'll call the price one. Price also it will add to the map. Then I'm returning this map. Just return this. That's it, guys. So sorry, which question you are asking?
The price of
Price.
int, no sir. 10,000 it is int, not a string.
From web page, always you will get a string. See, get text method, what it will return to you?
String formats.
From web page, you will get always a string only. Okay.
Okay.
You won't get a number at all. So get text method return type. What is the get text method return type?
String.
Then how you will get an integer? If you want later, you convert into integer. You know how to convert into integer, right? String.
Typecast.
Typecast. How can you do typecast? So how can you convert a string into integer primitive format?
Int I is equal to integer dot parse int.
That is the one we have to use. Okay.
Number format Excel. Okay.
Any other questions? So that's all the pages development is done. So we'll end here and tomorrow we'll finish this test case design. So then we'll proceed. So how many pages we develop? Home page, login page, logout page. So almost many pages we develop. Yeah. That's it for the day.